welcome back to my channel. So today we are in a completely different space, as you can see. You know, normally we're in the kitchen where I'm cooking it up, right? Doing all those awesome cooking videos for you. But today we're gonna be doing a little DIY project. So I will go ahead and give you a little sneak peek of what we're doing. So we are redoing our stairs. As most of you guys know, if you've been here for a while, we have animals. We also do dog boarding. So out of our home. So, you know, lots of traffic up and down the stairs. Although it's just for a guest room up there, it's still, you know, the animals run up and down. Anyway, carpet is gross. I hate carpet. The rest of my house has hardwood. There's all the tools we've been using. The rest of my house has hardwood, so, you know, having carpet in some rooms is just a pain. But anyway, I'm just gonna kind of show you guys like what we've been doing. We just wanted to surprise everybody because we're having Thanksgiving here, and we just thought it'd be a really neat thing for them to see, you know, nice transformation. So yeah, so we're gonna be doing that. As you can see, like I said, we already pulled up the carpet. We got most of the staples and things like that out. We already started sanding the paint off so that we can stain it, and that's a cheaper way of doing it. It still looks great, but you're still utilizing, you know, the original flooring that was put in. So I went ahead and sanded the stair, so you can kind of see what it looked like before. There's paint all over it, and it just looks gross, and this is nice and smooth and clean and ready for stain. So yeah, I'm really just gonna walk you guys through this process. Today, we've already made 2 trips to Home Depot, so we're obviously gonna be needing more supplies and things like that. So hopefully I'll take you guys with me next time, and you can see, you know, like what we're buying and things like that. But I'll also include everything in the description box down below, obviously, so you guys know. So far, our total, we're at about $100 total right now, and we still have some more things to buy, but it's still, like I said, better than $2,000 that we were quoted. So yeah, I'll kind of record little clips here and there of the process and talk you guys through it. And yeah, most of all, thanks for watching, and let's get started. Okay, so as you guys can see, all the paint is sanded off, and the next step is to fill in the holes with plastic wood. And then we're gonna sand those down as well and make sure it's ready for stain. Hey guys, so now we're on to the next steps of our stair remodel DIY crazy last minute project before Thanksgiving. Hashtag we're nuts, but it's fine. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and start staining. And I have this Varathane Classic Penetrating Wood Stain in the color Red Mahogany. So that's pretty close to the flooring that we have downstairs already. So it's gonna blend really nicely. So just a quick recap, we took the carpet off the stairs, all of the staples, the tack strip. I sanded them down, wiped them off with a wet rag, and then I also went in and filled any nail holes or staple holes or anything with plastic wood. And now, like I said, we're gonna start staining. So I'm just gonna work my way from top to bottom. And I don't think I'll need to do multiple coats because I think it's gonna already be dark enough, but we'll see, and we'll go from there. Then we will check on it tomorrow to give it about, you know, at least a good, that would be like probably like 24 hours to dry. It doesn't need that long, but it'll be untouched while we're at work and stuff. And then we can put the finishing coat on it. So yeah, this is just one of the last steps. And then we got the beadboard today at Home Depot. So I will go over that later, and I'll show you guys what it looks like, how much it costs, and kind of tell you the process of how to get it cut into the sizes that you need and everything. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So this shows you guys where I started on the beadboard. I used liquid nails to adhere them to the stairs. It comes in 4-foot by 8-foot pieces at Home Depot for $19.97. So I just had them cut them down to the exact length of my stairs and height. And that's what that looks like. And there's Paisley, that's a dog we were watching. So right here, I'm gonna show you guys just how I kind of made sure it would fit onto each stair, because all of the stairs aren't equal in size. I mean, some of them were a little off. For the most part, they were about the same size. But I got these pieces cut into about 5 7/8 inches height wise, and then I think it was 35 7/8 inches lengthwise. So for any of them that didn't fit, like this one's kind of giving me a hard time right here, I just took my palm sander with an 80 grit sandpaper on it, and I just kind of sanded down the end of it so that way I could get it to fit without cutting it, because I want it to have a nice clean cut instead of just looking jagged like it might with a jigsaw or a handsaw. Alright, so here is the finished product with the beadboard. I really love the character it adds to the staircase, and it gives it a more expensive look in my opinion. And like I said, it's only $19.97. An alternative to this, if you wanted to keep your budget a little lower, would be to just paint it white. Or honestly, I've seen other colors and some people use wallpaper as well, but I just really liked how this looked. Because we have animals, I decided to splurge a little on the finishing coat or top coat. This was about $43, but it is a high traffic formula, so it's good if you have kids or animals. Okay, so right here, Joseph is hammering in the quarter round. I think we ended up spending about $21 on this. And we hammered it in instead of gluing it in, just so it was more sturdy, because that is most likely the thing that people are going to kick when they, or accidentally kick when they walk up the stairs, if anything. So at this point, I had only done one layer of the polyurethane coating, and I did a second one after we finished with the quarter round, and I plan on doing a third one after Thanksgiving. Alright, you guys, so here's the finished product. We are so proud of all of our hard work. It has definitely paid off, as you can see, and we hope this video inspires you guys to start DIY projects in your home. Thanks so much for watching. Alright, you guys, so here are the before and after pictures, and like I said, we are so proud of this. We love it. It looks amazing. As far as the $80 budget challenge, whatever you want to call it, that yeah, no, that didn't happen. But that's okay, because we are very happy with it, and we splurged a little bit more on things like, you know, the polyurethane and things like that. So overall, I would say our total was about $150. And of course, you can, you know, decide where you want to splurge, where you don't, you know, cut back a little bit. That's completely up to you. But yeah, we love the finished result, and we hope you do too.